Are you looking for a way to work from home and make money online? I'll teach you exactly how to accomplish it in today's video. This task does not necessitate the use of cash or a credit card. The method I'll teach you in today's video is for beginners, so it's pretty straightforward and only takes approximately 20 minutes per day. You don't need any special skills or knowledge to complete it, so one of the things I enjoy about this website today is that it has an automatic PayPal depository that runs 24 hours a day. This means your paper money might arrive in as little as 24 hours. It's really quick and easy to get cash in this manner. And once again, this method is entirely free. You will not have to spend any money to use it. This is also available worldwide, which means that anyone in any country can do it after watching this video. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. Before I show you how to make money with this strategy, make sure you already have a PayPal account. Why PayPal, you might wonder? PayPal is the best and most convenient method of payment. The platform will pay you using PayPal. Of course, your transaction will be completely safe. The best part is that it's available all around the world. It implies they can pay you anywhere you are in the world at any time. You've already created a PayPal account. We shall now move on to the money-making websites. All you have to do is type Validately into Google. You will be sent to this website where you can choose this one right now. You can also type validately.com into the Google search bar to be taken straight to the website's homepage. I'm sure some of you have come across this website previously. However, this is a completely new approach to make money online, and I'm going to show you how to do it one step at a time. When you get to this platform, you'll notice that you can sign up to become a tester and start making money online. You mustn't miss any part of this video because they will ask you a total of 16 questions which you must correctly answer in order for your sign up to be approved. So, before you go to the website and check it out for yourself, I recommend that you watch the entire video. As you can see on this website, all you have to do is click here to make an account in order for us to go on to the next pages. You will be led to the set of questions I indicated before if you do so. The first question is, what kind of smartphone do you have? You will now choose your answer from the options presented here. In my case, I'll go with an iPhone because I already own one. Then click the next button. The next question is, what kind of computer do you have? You'll have to choose between a Mac and a Windows computer. In my case, I'm using a Windows PC. I will undoubtedly select this option and go to the next step. After that, what Windows version do you use? In my situation, I'll select Windows 10 and proceed by pressing the next button. Your gender is the subject of the fourth question. Simply select the right one for you. I'm going to go with male for now, then press the next button. The following question is, what year were you born? So you'll type in your response and then click the next button right here. The sixth question is crucial. It inquires about your educational background. This is significant since choosing a college graduate will result in a higher paying job. As a result, I strongly urge you to select a college graduate. Also, right here, hit the next button. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. We've reached the seventh question. Simply keep an eye out in order to make money online. In this section, you're asked what your employment status is, and you have just picked self-employed. And then, simply click on the next button right here. Please take a look at this question because it's one of the most crucial to get right. What kind of job do you have? This suggested answer will appear when you click on this answer bar right here. So here's a bonus tip. If you tell them you work in information technology or something else linked to software and computers, you'll be able to make a lot more money on this website. Just select one and click the next button right here. So here's question number 9. Keep watching because there are a total of 16 questions at the end of this video. I'll demonstrate how to complete the task in real time. This is a question concerning your job title. This will appear if you click on this answer bar right here. You can select from this list. I respectfully propose that you select the marketing manager. Then press the next button. You must select your annual household income in the 10th question. Feel free to pick the one that best suits you. In my instance, I'll pick this one and then click the next button right here. You will provide your full name in this question. Then, press the next button. Question 12 requests your email address. Simply enter your email address and click the next button. Question 13 is crucial since it requires you to input your PayPal email address in order for money to be delivered to your PayPal account once you've finished your work. So simply input your PayPal email address and click the next button. Question 14 is a straightforward one. Just type in your password and of course, have a click on the next button right here. Next, we'll go on to question 15. They'll ask you what time zone you're in, which is crucial information. Now just click on Detect My Location and click Enter and click on Next. This is the last and most important question. Now all you have to do is click Yes, I agree, and sign up. Congratulations on completing this lengthy 16 question for the registration process. I know that's a lot of questions and answers, but you can finish it in under 2 minutes if you watch this video and repeat exactly what I say. So, when you go down, you'll notice that you may now take a screener test. Simply select that option and click it. By doing so, you will be redirected to this platform where you can see Make Money Testing websites from your home. We're recruiting people to test websites from their homes or offices. If you are selected to join our panel, you will get emails about tests that you can take. To be applicable, you need to take this quick screening test. It will only take 1 minute. Leave your real email below so that we can contact you for future tests. Take note of this reminder right here. Only use Chrome. Don't use Firefox or Internet Explorer. All you have to do now is click on the I'll test this website for money link below. This will appear if you do so. Simply click Next and then OK. And I'm ready to begin the test. You must install the extension on this page. When I click this button, you'll be directed to this page, which is validly unmoderated testing and currently has over 100,000 users. They utilized this tool to test the website from the comfort of their own home, on their computer or phone, and you can earn money by doing so using PayPal. As a result, make sure you can add this blue button to your Chrome browser so they may use the software on your computer or phone to evaluate websites. So, once you've installed the Google Chrome extension, you'll be able to apply for positions like these. For example, they can ask you to test the Amazon website, which is one of the jobs you could acquire. All you have to do is go to the Amazon website and they'll offer you the link. All I have to do now is click on this link to go to the Amazon website. Take a snapshot of the Amazon homepage for the second step. And the reason you might want to capture a screenshot or a photo is because they want us to supply them with proof that you visited the Amazon website. Step 3. They wanted me to see if I could find today's deal on Amazon and snap a screenshot of it. All I have to do now is go to Amazon and look for today's deal right here. They want us to find today's discounts in order to optimize their location. Some users of this platform may have trouble discovering what they're looking for on some websites. Now, we're on Amazon's current deal. Just capture a screenshot. Now go back to step 4 and take a snapshot of the Scott Standard bath tissue. I have no idea what this is, but I'm going to highlight it and copy it right here. And then I'm going back to Amazon and pasting it into their search bar right here and pressing enter. And now you have it. To prove that I did actually find this Scott tissue paper, I'll take a screenshot of the entire page. As you can see, the procedure is relatively straightforward. They want us to test the website so that users can find what they're looking for when they search on Amazon. So, if you provide them proof such as a photo or screenshot that we genuinely completed the task, we can get paid through our PayPal account. As you can see, the work is pretty basic. It will only take a few minutes to finish them. You will be able to complete them faster and faster, and you will be able to uncover and earn so much PayPal money repeatedly. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.